Hello children, welcome to EVS class. Today in EVS, we will learn a new chapter, chapter number 12, Means of Transport. Children, before we begin our lesson, first tell me, how do you go to school every day? By school bus, car, or by walk? Or if you want to go for vacation to another city to meet your cousins or your friends, how will you go? By car, bus, or by train? Or suppose if you want to visit another country, how will you go? By aeroplane or by ship? So children, let's learn more clearly about means of transport, why we need to travel, different means of transport. Going from one place to another is known as traveling. एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने को traveling बोलते हैं. Alright? We can walk to places which are very close or nearby. But to go to places which are far away, we need to use some vehicles such as bicycle, auto rickshaw, scooter, car, bus, train, ship, or aeroplane. These different ways of traveling from one place to another are known as means of transport. Means of transport are also called as vehicles. Children, why do we need to travel? We don't get everything nearby. So to get them, we travel from one place to another, right? Parents go to places where they work. Children go to school and parks. We go to hospitals, shopping malls, market, relatives' houses, and sometimes we also travel during vacations. All these are considered as traveling. Different means of transport. Means of transport can carry both people and goods from one place to another. Means of transport लोगों को और चीज़ों को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह ले जा सकता है. Alright? The kind of transport we choose will depend on the distance to be traveled, the money we can spend, and the time available. Means of transport are of three types. They are land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. The vehicles that move on land are called land transport. Examples of land transport are bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, motorbike, bus, train, etc. Among these vehicles, the train is the fastest land transport. It runs on railway tracks. You know children, trains that carry passengers are called passenger trains, and trains that carry goods are called goods trains. India's fastest train is Gadiman Express, which runs between New Delhi to Agra. Land transport is the most common means of transport. Water transport. The vehicles that move on water are called water transport. Examples of water transport are boat, raft, sailboat, submarine, steamers, yacht, motorboat, ship, etc. Big ships are used to transport huge quantities of goods. These ships are called cargo ships. You know children, the largest passenger ships in the world are Oasis of the Seas and Allure of the Seas. Water transport is the slowest and cheapest means of transport as compared to land and air transport. Next we have air transport. The vehicles that fly in the air are called air transport. Examples of air transport are helicopter, hot air balloon, aeroplane, glider, rocket, etc. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of transport, which is used for traveling far distances. The aeroplanes which carry only luggage or goods are called cargo planes. Do you know, children, the biggest plane in the world is the Antonov AN-225 RIA. Animals used as a means of transport. Long ago, humans have used animals as a means of transport. Do you know, children, in olden days, kings used to travel on elephants. Elephants are also used in thick forests to carry heavy loads. In hilly areas, horses, ponies, and mules are used to carry goods and people. In deserts, camels are used for carrying heavy loads, and they are also used for carrying people to move from one place to another. They move very fast in desert, that's why camels are called as the sheep of the deserts. In our villages, pullo carts and donkeys are used to carry heavy loads as they are very strong animals. Children, I hope now everyone have learned different ways of transport, right? So let's do a quick review. Means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Means of transport are also called as vehicles. Bicycle, rickshaw, bus, and train are means of land transport. Helicopters, rockets, and aeroplanes are means of air transport. Boats, ships, submarine, and steamers are means of water transport. Animals are used as means of transport in hills, deserts, and forests. Now, children, all of you turn to page number 72 and 73 and try to complete the names of these vehicles that you see in the given pictures. And as your home assignment, draw pictures of any one land transport, one water transport, and one air transport. Alright? Thank you, children. That's all for today's EVS class. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.